How to delete NFTs from Opensea. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to delete NFTs from Opensea. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will go to opensea.io and you will land on this platform right here. Opensea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace, and we can list our NFTs right here. But sometimes we have listed an NFT, we have minted an NFT on Opensea, and we want to delete it. It's very easy to do, and that's what I will show you today. So once you are on opensea.io, you can go to your wallet first and make sure that your wallet is connected. If you have not connected your wallet, then you can connect one. You can see I have already connected my MetaMask. So we are good to go. Now we have our profile option right here. So I will open it up. It will open up your profile and you will be able to see different NFTs that you have listed. Now this is one of my test profiles, so you can see I have one NFT right here and I want to delete it. So what we can do is we can click on these three dots right here and we have the option to sell, copy link, transfer, edit, make profile picture, change collection, and hide. So if you want to hide your NFT, you can click on this hide option and it will be hidden from your profile right here. Or you can click on the edit option. Once you click on edit, it will open up the editing for you and I can actually edit my NFT, my name, collection. But you just have to scroll down all the way and you will find the delete item option right here. In order to delete the NFT, click on delete item and it will ask you if you are sure. Click on delete and your NFT will be deleted. You can see right here, deleted. Changes will take a minute to reflect. And you can see my NFT has been deleted from Opensea. There is no collected NFT here. You can see it's empty. There was one NFT that I just deleted. And this is how you can also go ahead and delete NFTs from Opensea. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.